the breeze, so much freedom. Hey guys, how have you been? I hope you and your family have been well despite the recent floods and the associated disasters we've had in Kenya and other parts of the world. I'm doing well and I'm glad to be here. And for the returning viewers, thank you so much. The Marine Engineering Kenya family, thank you so much for the support. For the new viewers, please subscribe to be part of this growing channel as we all learn together. So here we discuss everything maritime and energy with a focus on Kenya and East Africa. We discuss marine engineering, nautical science, STCW courses, careers at sea, the working of marine engines, the operations and the industry regulations. So keep it here for more. So just hit the subscribe button before we proceed and make sure to watch this video to the end. So I developed a song for the YouTube channel. That's the major announcement. So how did I do this? I am not an artist. I can tell you to wait for my album at the end of this year. So let's see how I got to do this. So but first, let's first listen to the song and let me know what you think of it in the comment section. Feel the breeze, so much freedom. Feel the breeze, waves and ease. Feel the breeze, so much treasure in the blue. It's the ocean's light, reviving everything. How it grows and feeds the land we call our home. Oh, what a wonder to know this sea is true. COVID. Is it good for our channel? Does it address the issues on blue economy that you want to cover on this channel? And I apologize for the noises in the background. I hope you can hear me. So the song is titled Ocean Embrace, and it will be the theme song for our YouTube channel moving forward until we get to maybe edit sometime later. So let me know what you think of it. But now we go into the steps of how we developed it. So the surprise or the spoiler alert is that I used AI to create this. AI is artificial intelligence in full. So AI can be used for productive purposes. I know we've had rumors of AI being used for the wrong reasons, but it can be used for productive purposes, and one of them is search. We also used to AI being used to generate text, images, but it can be used to produce music. I also learned that today. So unlike how most of us know it for text and images, it's also used for music. So this is the platform I used. It is known as Udio. It's like audio, but now with the letter A out, the letter A, letter A out. So you have Udio. So a quick search on any browser such as Chrome, Google, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla, or any other browser that you're using will show you that this is what it will show you, the Udio, how it appears. So Udio is a generative AI model, that is artificial intelligence model, that produces music based on simple text prompts. So it's you that gives it the prompt. What is it that you want? Maybe you want music that talks about like the recent Mother's Day, maybe something that talks about what's the event, health issues, or maybe even it's even something that praises your country or maybe your region. Like you could say a song about Africa, where you come from. So it could be a song about a book that you love. You just give it the prompts. You tell it, just like with the other AI tools that we know, like ChatGPT, you prompt it, you tell it the task that you want, and you give a description of what it is that you want. So it can generate vocals and instrumentation. So there is a free version of it, which is what I've used in this case, but there is also the subscription, which you can pay for either annually or monthly, so that you can unlock more possibilities. So you're going to use the free version, the free beta version in this case. So this is how you go about it. So you head to www.udio.com. You go to the website of udio.com and click on sign in. So when you click on sign in, you will be required to create an account with either Google, Discord, or Twitter. They've given 4 alternatives which are included. So once you've created your account, in this case I've used my Gmail account, my Google account, which is the Gmail. You're going to create a display name. So with the display name, sort of like, the artist, you can now choose whatever name that you want to use. So you're allowed to get as creative as you want, like the names people would use for their Facebook accounts a long time ago, a while back. So type in, once you've done that, you're not going to go to the icon at the, once you've created your display name, you're going to go, whatever I'm showing you is using the phone. I know there are, by people could be using their PCs, could be using your laptop, but whatever I'm showing you is now when you're developing using your phone. So most of us who want to do it via phone, this is how you go about it. So at the bottom of your screen, there's that pinkish button which has like the musical sign. I don't know what that is, somebody tell me in the comment section, but it has a plus sign. So you're going to click on that and create. The plus sign will take you to somewhere where you create. In that screen that shows, you're not going to type in any request for a song that you would want to create. So in this case, I typed in I want a song about the recent floods in Kenya, which is sung in Swahili and a female voice, and I want it in Afrobeat version. So you now, once you've given all the description, it also gives you the auto suggestions, so you can use as many as you want to filter what type of music that you want. So once you've done that, you click on create and it starts. So you give it time, at least maybe a minute, 30 seconds to a minute. And once it's done, you're going to see that Udio creates 2 song options for you. So you wait for it to finish. If you click while it's still processing, it won't. So you wait for it to finish, and once it has finished, you double click on the song and now listen to it. Is it what you wanted? If it's not what you wanted, don't worry, we are going to see how you go back. So you listen to both options and see if it's what you wanted. If it's not what you wanted, there's the option of editing. So you're going to either extend it, because the first time Udio creates a song, it's about 30 seconds of music. So if you want it maybe longer, 2-3 minutes, you extend it. And when you go to extend, you can increase, maybe add a section somewhere, add an intro, add an outro, or maybe add some instrumentation. And for these editing options, you can have the AI, the tool Udio itself generate the lyrics for you, or you can add your own lyrics, or you can edit whatever it is that the prompts that you give into it. So that's how you do it. If also you want to remix, you can remix maybe with some other words. It gives you so many options. You can, once you're done with it, you publish the song so that it's visible on the published section of your platform, of your channel, of your account. Maybe you can say it as an account. So once you're done and you're satisfied that that's the song, you can download it. You can either download it in audio, in video. There's also the option of sharing it on several platforms. You can share it on X, Twitter, that is. You can share it on Instagram. You can share it on LinkedIn. You can share it on the ALX platform, which I'm now using. So that is how I did it. So let me get your feedback on this, and thank you so much for being here. That's it, guys. I'm your latest artist, and join me in being the artist this year. So I'm going to release an album this year. So thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like, a comment, share with your friends, your colleagues, your family, and let's all learn together. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel as we grow. Let me know what else you'd want covered. Thank you.